Okay, hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Welcome to my channel if you're new. I did forget to record an intro, but I did my eyebrows, moisturized my face and everything. And I'm starting off by putting some, I think that was Sephora's Bright Future concealer. It wasn't light enough for me. When I try to do when I try to make my colors pop on my eyes, I try to use a lighter concealer so it can really pop because I'm dark skinned and I need a lighter base so it could really pop, like, period. Okay, so I'm going to be taking my Morphe 350 palette, and this is the only palette I'm going to be using for my eyes. And one thing I learned with eyeshadow, if you want it to really pop, don't set the concealer. Just start putting your shadow on top of the concealer. And if you pack it on rather than blend it on, you get more pigmentation than if you blend it. I don't know if I really explained that right, but you understand what I'm saying, okay? I mean, don't get me wrong, you're still going to be blending the shadow, but pack it on and get the pigmentation and then blend it out. Okay, so I'm going to be going in with this brown shade from the Morphe 350 palette as well. And I'm just going to be putting that on my lid, mainly focusing on like the outer corner. And you just want to blend it and pack it and blend it and pack it. That sounds like the thing from Wild 'N Out. Pick up and kill it, kill it. Nah, but I'm going to take my transition shade and I'm just going to blend it out so it don't be harsh, really seamless, and all that good stuff. And I just go back and forth with the brown shade and the orange shade, just, till I feel like it's blended enough for me. So I do have hooded eyes, and I'm taking the same concealer that I use on my lid, the Fawn one. And I'm going to use that and look up because I have hooded eyes. I don't know if I just said that, but that just helps me know where I need to cut my crease at so it can show rather than like, I'm looking at you and then the shadow is like hiding under my lid. So I'm just going to cut half my crease because that's the only way I want the shimmer. And I'm just going to pack the shimmer on. Like I said, if you want to get pigment, you need to pack rather than blend. So now I'm just taking the brown shade and I'm just going to, is that what I'm doing right now? Oh yeah, that is. So I'm taking a brown shade and I'm just going to blend out the shimmer in the brown shade just so you don't see like a line of demarcation. And it just looks really blended and seamless. And I think that's the end of this eyeshadow part. So I did apply my lashes off camera, and the foundation that I'm using right here is this Lancome foundation. I'm not sure which one it really is, but I did get a sample from Sephora. Before you start buying high-end products, go to Sephora and get some samples, because that's what I do to save me some time and save me some money, because sometimes these foundations don't be working. But I'm going to be blending this out. Make sure you move that scarf back or whatever, and get your hairline, blend, 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 blend. I don't blend my foundation into my neck because my skin is like 30 different colors. But if, your skin is not like mine, go ahead and blend it into your neck. For the rest of this foundation routine, or is it like a face routine? I guess foundation routine. It's pretty repetitive. If you watch my other videos, it's real repetitive. So I'm not even going to explain this part, but I am going for a natural look, so yes. Oh, I never really do this, but here I am. I'm actually taking some blush. I don't know, I think it came out okay, but right here I pretty much forgot to blend out my foundation and my concealer. This gives you more of a flawless, seamless look, but yeah, do that before the before the blush. So this right here is actually the last step for my eyeshadow. I'm gonna take this orange shade and I'm just gonna dust it under my eyes. I think when you do that, it actually brings more like color to your eyes and it makes your eyes pop a little bit more. And then I'm gonna be taking that highlight. Did I do a highlight? No, I actually did the shimmer, and I'm just gonna be putting the shimmer in the inner eye duct. Is that what it's called? Yeah. Okay, so if you made it to the end of this video, one thing I do want to say is I didn't include a lip. Me personally, I will go in with just clear gloss like this, or I will go in with I think it's LAX by ColourPop. And look at this, I already messed this damn thing up. LAX by ColourPop. And I only do lipsticks when I'm like going somewhere and I'm not like going somewhere to eat, because I don't know, I don't like that, because yes. But if you made it to the end of this video, thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I will see you in my next video.